I know many did not vote for me, and you are disappointed that your candidate is not where I stand now.
My people, you don't set a good, you don't scatter. No be small thing, no be small wahala, my people. As I dey talk to Nana, you don't set again. Make una carry una jokote sit down. Come listen to this one. Only my ear no fit hear this one. Finish. I know say most of una know this drama man. Dino Minaye. He don't boss come out again, my people. He said Mehi Kaba. Say they not agree at all. For this election when they ring so. May Nigeria, may they come out, can't take the right. Say enough is enough. My people not be small thing. As they talk this one, my people, I was shocked to light. May not come be say I too talk. I go live on a mona for listening to Dino Minaye.
I salute us once again in the course of our nation's history, and I salute us in the name of the struggle. I am addressing Nigerians today that we must do everything to retrieve the stolen mandate by Bola Ahmed Tinubu, because we cannot have a man who is suffering from advanced dementia as the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. If we allow this to stay, will Nigerians imagine a Bola Ahmed Tinubu addressing the United Nations? And possibly, as president addressing the United Nations, he will introduce himself and say, I am Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president of Burkina Faso. Do you know the international damnation, the international condemnation, the international ridicule that will, bring on Nigeria and Nigerians? So we must do everything to make sure that we restore and retrieve the people's mandate of Atiku Abubakar back to him. As I'm speaking with you, area boys in Lagos are already relocating to Abuja. There's excitement in the highland. All the bad boys, the area boys, are already planning to move to Abuja, where their grandmaster is relocating to. And I want to say, very soon you will start seeing snatching of bags, you will see snatching of phones, you will see breaking into people's cars, because area boys will invade Abuja. Marijuana will become very popular. Drugs like cocaine, heroin will be sold like pure water on the streets. And people like MC Oluomo will relocate to Abuja. And NURTW will now also take over the metropolis of Abuja. We should not allow that to happen in a sane society, in a civil society. So I call on Nigerians to say the battle to retrieve the mandate of the people, the mandate freely given to Atiku Abubakar, is a battle of no retreat, no surrender. We must recover. We must recover. We must recover the people's mandate. Never should we allow a drug baron certified by the court of law to be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Pablo can never be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
My people, not be smart, As I cross this one, I will choctolize. Not be smart thing. He said, no. Say this matter, they leave this matter alone at all. Say Bola Ahmed Tinubu, say he no score anything, any ishishi. Say now 1 or 2 votes, 3 votes. Now that one they declare him as president of Nigeria. He said Mehi Kaba, say they will not take it. My people, not be small matter. As I they talk to Nana, not be small wahala. He say make Nigeria people, may all of the boss come out to no be small thing. My people, everybody know the truth about this election. When they do so, people know say not be APC. Now they win that election. No, say wuru deo. Nigeria no agree. Say they ring that election. No, say the result when they count for different polling units. Not be the one where INEC come, where INEC come announce. Say INEC announce another thing. My people, not be smart thing. Now there Dino Minaye for still boss come out again. May you not come be say I too talk. Make una listen to Dino Minaye again, my people.
Yeah, fellow countrymen and women, I remain Dino Minaye. I'm making this clarion call because there is a serious need for INEC to not only be very careful, but to work against saboteurs, because INEC must do everything possible to protect records, to protect documents, to protect the server, We don't want any story that there was fire incident or fire engulfed INEC office or something happened and materials were destroyed. From now henceforth, please alert security agencies, the soldiers, police, SSS must protect INEC premises, especially the national headquarters of INEC. We don't want any story tomorrow that there's no evidence to present in court because all the documents transported from the states to INEC got engulfed in a fire incident or it was vandalized or something happened. No, that will not be taken. So from now henceforth, INEC must make sure that every document submitted to the national headquarters is protected and is preserved. We don't want any story. And Nigerians who have started watching, we will play surveillance around that place and make sure that there is no story concerning all documents. No fire incidents, no vandalization, no flooding or anything that will tamper with those documents. And now we are alerting Nigerians that we will not entertain that. And if you try to go that route, Nigerians will know that we already mentioned it and we already said it. So please, engage security agencies to protect the perimeter fence of INEC and make sure that nothing happens to any document in INEC. No fire incidents, no destruction, no vandalization, no flooding. Nothing should happen to any of the documents in INEC because every lie has an expiry date, and very soon the lies of INEC will be expired and the true president of the people, Atiku Abubakar, will reclaim his mandate. God bless Nigeria.
My people, share on I don't watch her. Not be smarting, oh. He say Mehikaba never say they must take what rightful belong to them. Say APC not score anything. Say nobody vote for them. My people, as I cross this one, I will choctolize or not be small matter, not be small thing. Now yeah, now I want for leave una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao, ciao everyone. Bye bye.